Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Teacher Nikki here, and today I'm going to talk to you about daylight savings in the US and how it might affect you for teaching at iTutorGroup. Really, this could be useful for anybody at any online ESL school, but at iTutorGroup we do have to actually change a button. So I will show you how to do that. One thing I want to talk to you about before I show you the tutorial is that China does not do daylight savings. They keep the same time all year round. So that means that the 1930 peak time, for example, that is 6:30 a.m. for me right now. When daylight savings goes into effect, 1930 will become 5:30 a.m. for me, and I'm in Central Time. So if you're on Eastern Time, you're then going to be 13 hours behind China instead of 12 hours behind China. And for me on Central Time, I'll be 14 hours behind China instead of 13 hours behind them. So you get the idea, it just goes back because remember, when we change the daylight savings in the fall, we fall back. Okay, let's do the tutorial. Here we are on the home page, and when you change your daylight savings, all you're going to do is click this button, turn it off, and then you'll be good to go. But I'm keeping it on right now because it's not time to change yet. Our daylight savings this year goes into effect on November 4th. If there's anything that you guys want to change, for example, remember I'm on Central Time, so this 6:30 a.m. will then be 5:30 a.m. for me. So if I don't want that to be on my prime time schedule, the fixed schedule, then I'm going to have to edit that. So then my peak time instead of 6:30 would be 7:30. So in order to do that, you will go to edit my prime time, and then you will click new, and then you fill out the hours that you want to choose. And you have to change this by the 24th every month if you want it to go into effect in the following month. Alright, if you guys like this, I hope you will subscribe, click that like button, and share. And I'll see you for more videos in the future. Bye-bye.